What's going on, folks? Welcome to the channel. Taking a look today at Tesla. We had a really nice day in the market yesterday, Friday. We had a couple nice days this week, actually. Things are looking bullish, and that's what we have thought for some time now, and we're just getting more and more confirmation as the day rolls by. So we're going to take a closer look at Tesla stock, kind of share some of our thoughts moving forward, and kind of explain how we watch this thing unfold and some of the signs that we were looking for. And we'll check out some market sentiment as well. So let's take a zoom in here. We were on a daily chart looking at Tesla on TradingView. Excuse me. So let's get a couple tools here. So Tesla up another 33.79 yesterday, 3.88% to the upside. So taking a quick look back, if you missed some of the prior videos, we have been mentioning for a while now that we thought on the 24th was the market low overall, and so far, that has held, so that is a good sign to see. Markets bottom when the news is the worst, and markets top when the news is the best. So we believe that 24th was the market bottom. Hard to believe with all that's going on, but markets are forward-looking, so they might see some positive news in the days, weeks, months ahead. So there we go, bottom on the 24th. And we also mentioned that we thought this right here, the 8th of March, was the higher low we were looking for. And that proved for 2 days. And then 2 days later, that started to weaken. And then on the 14th of March, that was canceled and we got a new low. Still a higher low. And then we mentioned, well, okay, so let's see if this holds as the higher low on the 14th, which was, looking back, it was the higher low. And all we mentioned is we don't want to undercut the low of the 24th. We want that to hold. If that doesn't hold, much more downside for Tesla to come. Well, looking forward, that was the higher low we were looking for. And then we just unfolded to the upside, which is a good sight to see. So we like to see trend reversals with the market going from lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, still a lower high. So we're still in a downtrend. Right here was the turning point, higher low. And then if you checked out my other Tesla videos, you would know that we were looking for a higher high. So instead of printing another lower high down in this area and then rolling back over, we actually printed a higher high on Friday. And that is shown right here. So we believe that the trend has changed for Tesla and actually the market in general. The S&P, the Dow, the Russell, all of those are starting to look very, very bullish and heading for much higher prices. So what we were watching for Tesla anyway was basically we wanted the price to be printed above that horizontal line on the chart. And you can see on Friday, nice strong close, got above that trend line. And that was the higher high. So if you're a little confused, this area right in here, let me draw a box around it. This was nothing but a lower high. So it was lower than this section over here. And it was lower than that, so it's a lower high. And then after that played out and started to roll over, this was the next area we were watching down in here. So this is a higher low because it doesn't undercut this low over here. And that was our first sign right in here that, okay, this trend could be changing and we could see a blast to the upside to come. And that's what we got. Looks like Friday was the 4th up day for Tesla. So once we started to rally and get back to this time frame here, this previous lower high, we want to see a break above that. We want to print a higher high showing us that, all right, this stock is looking strong and the trend has changed to the upside. And that is what is unfolding here for Tesla. We got the higher high. We got that confirmation. The stock is telling us that I'm strong and I'm going much higher. So that is our stance on Tesla. We are quite bullish at this time on Tesla stock. A couple other things. We're obviously above the 200-day moving average, which is the red line on my chart. And this other line is the 21-day, which has not quite ticked back up, but any day now it should be starting to head higher. So that is my thoughts on Tesla. I expect much higher prices for Tesla to come, and for the general stock market, things are quite bullish. Hard to believe, but the charts are telling us that markets are heading higher. So you got to put all else aside, news, emotions, feelings, whatever it may be. Look at the charts and they'll tell you what's to come and what's happening day by day. So that is our thoughts on Tesla. I said we were waiting for that higher high to be printed. We got it Friday, and we are not going to ignore that bullish signal. So that is our thoughts here on Tesla. Let's take a look over at the market sentiment. So CNN, fear and greed, still in the fear. We were pretty low. I guess a week ago we were 15. I thought we were lower than that. You can see that over here. 1 week ago, extreme fear. And I said that markets can't stay oversold for too long, or at least in that extreme fear. You're going to get some kind of counter reaction, and that is to the upside. Let's look at the VIX, the VIX, the volatility, the S&P 500 volatility index. So the VIX is also telling a story too, in that it's heading lower, and this looks like a lower high on the VIX, and you can see it fell off a cliff. So this is starting to trend in the right direction for the bulls. This thing should continue to fall. And like I said, we actually want to see this under the 200-day, and it looks like we're heading in that right direction. So we will see how the Sunday night futures open. And come Monday, we could have a very strong week ahead. How it looks like things are just heating up here for the markets. Let's take a look at Tesla. So this is Google Finance. So Tesla was also up after hours. Another $2.24 on Friday. So it looks like Tesla closed at 905.39 and 907.63 after hours. So we should see Tesla at some point, probably sooner than later, back up over the $1,000 and probably much, much higher. Unless things change, that's the way the markets are heading. So you have all this fear created down in here. You know, of course, the news is not good across the board, no matter where you look. And what they do is they'll shake you out of the market, out of positions, out of your favorite stocks. And just when you throw the towel in, the markets bottom and start to head higher. Higher lows and then higher highs to follow. So that is That's what we're seeing here, and we're in the early stages of that unfolding. So that's my thoughts on Tesla. Quite bullish, of course, not financial advice. If you are interested in trading signals, we actually do offer Tesla trading signals, buy, sell, and short signals as well. Check us out over on Patreon. Links down in the video description. Also got a bunch of cool investing related t-shirts over on Amazon. They are all eligible for Prime. Check them out. Links also down in the video description. All right, everybody. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Welcome to the channel, all of the new subscribers. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts on Tesla. Do you own this stock? What are your thoughts? What do you think is going to happen here for Tesla's future, both as a company and as a, what do you think the share price will be moving forward? Have a great weekend, and I will have some more videos coming out throughout the weekend. So turn on those bell notifications and you'll be notified when I upload some more videos here. All right, everybody, take care. Have a great day.